How to enable 120 Hz on iPhone for smoother gaming. Want to enable the highest refresh rate on your supported iPhone for smoother and more responsive gaming? Here's what you need to do. Open the Settings app and tap Accessibility. Next, select Motion. Now, look for the Limit Frame Rate option. If this setting is turned on, your iPhone's display is limited to 60 Hz. To allow the display to use its higher refresh rate, simply turn Limit Frame Rate off. On iPhone models with a ProMotion display, this allows the screen to reach up to 120 Hz, making scrolling, animations, and supported games feel much smoother and more responsive. Also, keep in mind that not every iPhone supports a 120 Hz refresh rate. If you don't see the Limit Frame Rate option, your iPhone may be limited to a lower refresh rate. And that's how to enable 120 Hz on a supported iPhone. If you found this helpful, click like, share, and subscribe for more such content.